Hi, this is Jeff Thrasher with Gravity Sketch. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export your GS-created design directly from your workspace in LandingPad, so you can have a totally rotatable sketch of your garment in PowerPoint. This PowerPoint document can be used as a tech pack, a style handoff, and a more immersive slide presentation. You can find all the assets used in this video on LandingPad. I'm going to use this jacket model for this tutorial and open this on the web page. Okay, cool. We're going to go straight to the document info box and click on the export icon. In here, you'll find a whole bunch of pre-programmed export settings. And in this case, we're going to go down here to the file format and scroll down. For exporting to PowerPoint, we're going to choose the GLB format. Before we export, we can see the actual dimensions the sketch will be exported in. And then, when you're ready, type in an export name and click on the Export button. Okay, let's make our way back to my workspace and then my files. Here, you'll find the document you just created in a GLB format. Right-click on it and download. Let's move the files from the download folder onto our desktop. I already have a PowerPoint slide I'm working on with Gravity Sketch PNGs placed. And to finish this page, I'm going to simply drag the 3D GLB file into the slide. And once the 3D file is on the page, I can now adjust the size, move it around, and the coolest thing is the sketch is rotatable, all inside PowerPoint with no added application. And now you've created a powerful document created using 3D Gravity Sketch images, formatted to live in a 2D ecosystem. So we've covered working all on the LandingPad webpage without the headset, where we're able to export 3D images of our design simply by opening the file, navigating to the export dialog, and choosing the GLB format that's compatible with PowerPoint. And again, all of the assets shown in this short tutorial can be found on LandingPad and in the headset. Grab them now if you have an account, or sign up for a free account to access them and try this workflow yourself.